Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to check Toyota Prius battery health. Understanding your hybrid battery's condition is crucial for maintaining your vehicle's performance and longevity. This process helps you identify potential issues early, preventing more significant problems down the road. We will focus on the most accurate method to assess your battery's state. Let's dive into the details of keeping your Prius running efficiently. To accurately assess your Prius hybrid battery, you will need specific tools. First, acquire an OBD-II Bluetooth adapter, which plugs into your car's diagnostic port. Next, download a specialized mobile application, such as Doctor, Prius, or Hybrid Assistant. These apps are designed to communicate directly with your hybrid system, providing detailed insights into individual battery block voltages and overall health. Generic scanners often lack this crucial capability. Once you have your OBD-II adapter and chosen app, the testing process is straightforward. Plug the adapter into your vehicle's diagnostic port, typically found under the dashboard. Then, connect your mobile device to the adapter via Bluetooth. Follow the app's on-screen instructions to initiate a comprehensive battery health test. This usually involves a controlled charge and discharge cycle to gather accurate performance data. Interpreting the test results is key to understanding your battery's health. The most critical metric is the voltage difference between individual battery blocks. A healthy hybrid battery typically shows a voltage difference of less than 0.3 volts. If this difference consistently exceeds 0.5 volts, it indicates significant degradation. A difference of 1.2 volts or more signals a very poor battery condition, likely requiring replacement soon.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.